Hey there, it is Richard Butler back with another review, and today I'm talking about Flonnect. This review has taken so long to come out because I've had a number of challenges getting this set up. I have a few videos that I'll probably put up showing that the first one was actually getting into the program, the second one was trying to actually edit a video, but everything is working fine now, and I want to show you what this software can do. So it did interest me a lot because it does many things and it's like a jack of all trades. But of course, the question is it a master of some, none, or all? Well, let's talk about what it can do. It can record your screen. It can do bug reports. It can do step capture and it can do a presentation. Now, at the moment, what I've done is I've done the screen record, and I'm going to show you that in a second. You must use Chrome, because it is a Chrome extension that you install here. So there's a screen recorder and there is the capture here. Now, what's the difference? The screen recorder is, as it says, a screen recorder. It records what's on the screen. But it does a little bit more. It's kind of like Loom, and even just for the screen recorder, I think this is worth it. Now, I have to tell you, there's a link in the description. If you have any questions, please ask them. If you have any comments, please leave a comment. Like the channel, subscribe. This really helps me. So, we all need screen recorders, and Loom, obviously you have to pay for that. I don't even know how much it costs, and there's limits on the free system, etc. So you could just get this just for the screen recording, and it is a very capable little screen recording. You'll actually see a separate video. I've actually linked to it in the description where I show you how I do a screen recording and doing a little bit of editing. But what I would do is I would just click on create video, and that will open up a new tab and it will ask me, do I want to record? Is this a Flonnect video or should I use a template? So what does a screen recording look like? Well, if I go in here, I have this one and I can open this up, and this is what the sort of finished page will look like, more or less. Let me show you. If I go into share here, I can say anyone with this link can actually view this, and I'm going to change it to that. And when the person goes to the actual link, they see it exactly as you would a Loom. Okay, so they can watch the video, they can do reactions, they can leave comments here, and when I click on send, that just leaves that comment there. You'll also see there is the transcript option if I've actually allowed it to create a transcript. So it's quite capable in that sense. You'll see the branding there, etc. If I go into the actual recording here, I'm still playing around with the AI tool. Okay, let me just try list key takeaways here. I've had a couple of challenges with this because what did interest me about this tool was, and a message just popped up there, I'll have to see what it said. Let me just go back to AI, key points. Let me just put in key points. Failed to get AI response. So I'm having challenges with the AI because my understanding of this was it would actually do AI editing for you and remove filler words and ums and ahs and things like that. I haven't got that to work yet. If I go into manage here, I can put in a description. Okay, let's generate that with AI and see what it actually comes up with. I can export to YouTube, to LinkedIn, to Twitter. I can download the video. I can also see analytics, and I can actually delete. Okay, so that's generating a summary of the video to create a description. It's taking a little bit of time there. So let me see. Showcase a tool from AppSumo called To, which helps users create using the tools interview feature. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's not a bad summary. I can call this sample video. I can change all of that. Okay, I can see the comments here if there were any comments. I would have to refresh this. It's generating a transcript for me. Now, all of these use AI credits. So if I go in here, I'm on the business plan. It should tell me that I have 46 credits used. I may actually talk to the founders about that, because one of the problems with this is that I've asked it questions with the AI chat and it's not done anything. Okay, it hasn't actually helped me with that. AI edit, I mean, the AI edits have been not very good. Okay, it tells me my monthly usage. I have 4 videos done. I have 1 HTML capture, 0 meetings. I've used 2 AI credits, which that is not adding up. AI credits, and then AI credits is 200 here. So there's a little challenge here, which I'll talk to the guys about. AI generation as well is there. Now, let me just go back here. Let me just click on back. Okay, so I'm back to my video here, and let's see if the transcript. Okay, so the transcript is here. Okay, so that should, if I go here, that should show me the transcript there. Okay, perfect. And it's shown me the summary here of the video, which I asked. So even just for the recording features here of the screen recorder, I think it's pretty good. I'm going to do a test. I mentioned this in the video on my MacBook Neo to see whether the MacBook Neo can handle the Chrome extension, the recording. Now, if I go into edit video, I get, if you're familiar with video editing, I get a familiar screen. One thing that happened was this image of me in the circle came up really big. Okay, so I had to resize that. Because I'm using a widescreen monitor, this image was also quite small, so I had to extend that out. But over here, I have all of the different styles that I can use. If I'm honest, they look a little bit old-fashioned. Okay, I mean, this is very, very, very from 10 years ago, this type of style. And this one is a really old-fashioned. I can do text-to-speech if I wanted a text-to-speech. So, I mean, if I didn't want to put my own voice on a video, I could actually do a text-to-speech there. I can generate captions. I can put stickers in here. Okay, so if I wanted to put this one here, did it go here? Okay, I'm not sure if that's it there, but maybe until I play. Okay, I don't know, that didn't come up, but I can, for example, I can put this one in. Sorry, because that one came up there, that boom one came up there, okay? But it's a full timeline like you would actually use in a full editing program, okay? I have a library here of all my different videos. I have different templates that I could create. I can record, I can zoom in, I can do the AI editor. As I say, I haven't had a lot of luck with this AI editor. Okay, add a fade transition between the first and second clips. Okay, I don't have that. Avatar is coming soon. I presume this is going to be like a talking head avatar. And then under the settings, I can change the canvas size here. So as a screen recorder, I think it's really good. Let's just go back to the main area here. If I just go back to the dashboard, I just want to see with the brand kit if I can do something. Okay, so here, for example, I could upload an image, and I'm going to just see if I can find an image here. Okay, so I could upload that image on the video player. I could put in a fav icon, brand name and tagline, Richard Butler. Okay. And if I save that brand kit, I'm assuming I can put it into my video there. Now, again, as I said, because I got this comment on a recent video, I'm going through this without having gone through it, in the sense that everything you are seeing is me experimenting live. Okay, I haven't overly used this software, so you will see everything that I'm doing. Show logo in the brand player. Okay, I'm going to do that. Show brand name and player. I'm going to do that. Show logo in header. I'll do all of that. Show brand name and header. Page font, the embedding. Okay, so I'm going to save the brand kit here. on the share page, it should come up like that, and on the embed. So my understanding is if I reload here, it should do that for me. Or maybe I have to go back in here to my sample video and into my settings. Let me just see. Okay, so I don't know why that hasn't. Let me just render the video there. I don't know why that hasn't changed here, because my understanding was that if I went in and I know, was it here? Generate AI, brand kit. Okay, so it's from here that I want to do that. Okay, apply brand kit to all. Yes, apply to all. And now my understanding is that when I go to my video here, if I just go back to dashboard, if I go share link, and if I go here, that should be branded. Okay, so to me, I mean, that in itself is worth the T2 level, because what you're getting is a fully branded page. Okay, I know, people are going to say, oh, well, can I not have CNAME, etc. But what you can do, remember here, is that if I go into the video, I can actually embed this. Actually, I can put it in a calendar here. Okay, well, sorry, I can sync my meetings here if I want to record. I guess this is the challenge that I think, or maybe not, that this is doing many things. That it can be a meeting recorder, it can be a screen recorder, it can be a little bit of everything. In this first video, I have to say that as a screen recorder, it does a very good job. Okay, it has to be on Chrome. You have to download the extensions, but I mean, it's not more software that you have to put on your computer. So let me know any questions that you have about this. If there's any comments that you have, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. And of course, don't forget, there is a description. No, there is a description in the link. There is a link in the description. By you supporting my channel, it helps me create even better videos. Thanks very much for watching, and see you in the next video.